What's up, y'all? It's your girl Frenchiee, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So we are doing a tutorial today, and I'm going in by moisturizing her face. Now we're going to be using our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm also using this flat brush by Morphe. I really like this brush because you get to spread it on the eyelids and you get to carve out the eyebrows really nicely. Then, ladies, you want to use your Real Technique blending brush to blend out the concealer on the eyelids. Now we're going to use our 35X Big Pigment palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be using a whole bunch of different other shades to kind of create what I'm looking for. Now we are going in with our Frenchiee Beauty Lash Collection. If you guys want to purchase any of those, just click the link below and DM me on Instagram. If you have any open pores, this is the stuff for you. I love it because it has like a very smooth feeling. And when you apply on the foundation on your face, it really lays really nicely. Now I'll be going in with my Makeup Forever foundation on her. I know it looks a little orange on here, but once it oxidizes, it looks perfect. You guys, then I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige and Cool Tan. Now it's time to bake the face, you guys. So I'll be using my Huda Beauty in this shade Banana Bread. Now using this Fit Me by Maybelline powder to kind of contour her face. I don't really like using too harsh of a dark pigment. Now going in with a SEPHORA blush, we are going to use it in the shade Poppy. If you guys don't have a James Charles palette, it's a must-have. I would suggest y'all to go get it. I will be going on the bottom liner of the eyes and applying a nice pink to it. I don't know why I've been obsessed with pink, so I really wanted to try this look. Any beginners, I will suggest you to go and get you a setting spray because you'll need that. That's forever your best friend because you don't want your face to start caking up and cracking. Now going in with our Milani Intense Bronze Glow to highlight the face. Now going in with this collab lip liner. You always want a nice, warm, dark, chocolatey lip liner for your lips for this kind of lip combination that I'm about to give y'all. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline matte lipstick. Also, we're going in with our gloss. You guys, I hope you know that I'm using all affordable products on here. You guys could get these at the beauty supply stores as well. The only thing that you would need to get at Sephora or Ulta is like the Morphe palettes and stuff. So that's it. And also remember, ladies, it's all about technique. You can have a product from the drugstore and it works as good as the one from a high-end product. So it's all about your technique and how you use the product and what you do with it, you know? And you guys, using this Blossom mascara, I got this at Sally's. It's about like 20 something dollars. I don't recall how much it was, but I'll be listing all the products that I bought and put in this video down in the description. Now using this mascara, I use this brown shade for the brows because you want your brows to look really natural. So that's what we were using today. If you want to get that, I will be listing the brand of that product down below because I don't recall it off the top of my head. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all learned something from this video, but this is the final glam. Let me know if y'all enjoyed watching this so I can make more.